Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this series of videos in which we are developing our dashboard for tracking the missed salats, or we say it qada salat, right? Qada umri is also it is known as a qada umri in various parts of the world, especially in the subcontinent, Asia and Indonesia. The people know this as a qada umri. This is a worksheet, and we have developed it as such that whenever it opens with all the these. You have to open it with enabling macro, and then you will find that until yesterday, all the entries are done, and your dues, paid, and overdues are shown. Okay, so when you want to see the overdues, just double click anywhere, and this is going to show you the graph and as well as the until now. You have prayed until yesterday, right? This is for sure. Today's topic is value addition. In this, we are going to do it in the light of a question we have seen in our site in South Africa site. Uh, the the brother has asked a very important question related. I'm sorry, let me bring it. Yeah, this is the right. Okay. So it is saying the aqama when making qada salah, right? Okay, in which it asks a special thing. Uh, Although the question was about the aqama, the recitation of aqama. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah, hayya ala salah, hayya ala falah, qad qamatis salah, Allahu Akbar, like this, which is recited before when doing the congregation prayer, farz prayer. Yeah? But the man who is asking it, he is saying that he is in. It's not that he has missed the salah, rather the reason of doing is that I had offered them. I had offered them timely, but later it transpired that those salats were not valid. For such salah, should I recite a qama when performing it at home? So the answer, as given by the the scholar, says that it is better to recite the qama, right? So that's just one thing that whenever we do, it is always better. Whenever we do clear the backlog uh, of the mandatory salah, missed salah. So each time it is better to recite the aqama, to sing the aqama, right? That's fine. But the question has given us the opportunity to add a value in the line of this. There are the chances that um, some point later in future, you come to know that those salah which you performed uh, due to certain information which were disclosed to you later. So those salah have to be repeated. These have to be repeated. So our system should give the user a chance to repeat a certain number of salah. For example, let's go to that. We had after making the tawbah, we are shown that you are doing regularly all the due prayers. The due was 6 and you prayed the 6. That's right. And it is going on ever since you have done the tawbah, right? Now, let's just suppose that a certain number of salats which you select, right? These were later on, you came to know that these were invalid. Due to any reason. For example, maybe your clothes were not pious, or you the clothes of the man who was leading the prayers, he was that was happened to be unpious, or there can be so many reasons. So you should have an option that to redo that salah as well. Right? This is not something that is that were overdue, but actually you have to redo due to for any reason you may want to redo those salah. So for this, what we have to do is we add a new option in our system that is called right clicking. Okay, select those things and click right click. And here you click the right click. Okay. As soon as you do the right click, it will give you the 4 salah. Why 4? Because you have highlighted these 4. The 4 days salahs are going to be marked as repeated. Are you sure? Yeah. So as soon as you say yes, now here we are going to write the procedure that that would that would take these first of all make these two these 6 will be removed. That will make the uh, overdue figure up, right, for that many numbers. And then since you have repeated the salah, so the date will be marked in here, and the 6 will appear again here. So this will be treated as the salah which you have uh, cleared. The first these salah will come to the backlog, and then you will do the normal procedure of clearing the backlog, right? So this is we are going to show you that how to do this. Okay, so we have written over the steps were very simple. When we went in here, there was no code, only this one. Okay. So what we do is we stop this procedure, and and uh, let's let's discuss this code. This code comes with the before right click. It is available in the worksheet. There are so many steps. So before right click, right, is the event. So as soon as you do the right click to selecting a certain number of, so it will give you a message. And where is that message coming? It is coming in here. Yeah? This is the message box, which is saying that that many which you have selected. So 4, if you selected 4, then 4 will be concatenated here with 4 days salats are going to be marked as repeated. Are you sure? Yes and no. Huh? You can say, are you sure? So you can say, you can use VBCR to to add a carriage return, and then you say, are you sure? Hmm? Are you sure? Okay. So that's how we write the macro. Okay, so what would happen as soon as you say yes, then for the moment it will stop, and we will cover it that what to do, how the things will be done, right? For example, you select a different row. For example, these are the selection which you want to redo. So right click on it. As soon as it says there 5 days salat are going to be marked as repeated. Are you sure? So if you say yes, and now we have put a breakpoint in here, we will do it in our next session. Thank you very much.